Hey everyone! In this video, I will be guiding you on how to import a bank statement in QuickBooks Online so you can quickly match your transactions and keep your records accurate. So first, you will have to make sure that you already have a QuickBooks Online account and you already have a plan before proceeding to the next steps. So first, after logging into your account, you will just have to go to the Bank Transactions tab on the left menu. So you will be able to find that once you've logged in. And then after that, you will just have to click the link account, and if you would want it to connect directly to your bank or upload from file if you already have a downloaded statement. Then you will see browse. You will just have to click that, and then you will select your file, and it is usually in CSV, QBO, or OFX format. And then after that, you will just have to hit next. Then you will have to choose your bank account in QuickBooks where transactions will go. Then you will select the correct date and format columns if needed. And finally, you will just have to click finish upload and review your imported transactions under the for review tab. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.